Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Sut mai? Hello and welcome to another Learn Welsh with Will. Well, it's that time of year again, isn't it? So I thought you might find it handy to know how to say Merry Christmas in Welsh. And to round it off, we'll add and a Happy New Year on the end as well. Christmas in Welsh is Nadolig. And to wish someone a Merry Christmas, you just add the Welsh word for merry, which is llawen, on the end. So the full phrase for Merry Christmas is Nadolig llawen. Merry Christmas. Nadolig llawen. To wish someone a Happy New Year in Welsh, we would say Blwyddyn Newydd Dda, which breaks down like this. Blwyddyn, which means year, Newydd, which means new, and Dda, which is the mutated form of da, which means good. So literally speaking, we are saying Good New Year. Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. So putting them both together, we get Nadolig llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Nadolig llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. So have a great Christmas and until next time, hwyl fawr i chi.